Hota channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
Real life Rapunzel reveals secret behind her incredible long hair. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you a secret to make your hair like Rapunzel. It's make your hair healthy and long. We need to add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Two tablespoons of olive oil. Then mix all the ingredients very well. Now apply it on your hair and leave it on without washing. For best results, use this remedy twice in a week. Oh, finally! I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and make thumbs up for this video.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.